I am Nilesh, a partner engineer at Meta. Today, I am excited to show you how to speed up your technical content creation using Llama. For many developers, writing technical blog can be a tedious task. It's not just about text. It's meticulously crafting architecture diagrams, ensuring code snippets are accurate, and making sure the content is fresh and relevant. This can be incredibly time-consuming, pulling you away from what you love, building and coding. But what if there was a way to significantly speed up and enhance this process? That's exactly where Llama comes in. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Llama to build your own technical blog generator that can draw from your knowledge base. Today, I'll walk you through how to use the technical blog generator, a recipe we build that leverages Llama's capability combined with Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, to enable Llama to tap into your existing technical documentation to help synthesize accurate, relevant, and well-structured blog posts. Here are the steps involved. The first step is to define configurations and load data. This involves setting up the necessary parameters and loading the required data into the system. Next, we create a Qdrant client and ingest data into it. We then query Qdrant for relevant chunk of information related to the topic we are interested in for building a blog. Now, we integrate with Llama by building a prompt that includes the context and requirements for generating a high-quality blog post. As shown here, the prompt is carefully crafted to guide Llama in creating a comprehensive and informative blog post. We then make an API call to Llama, which generates a blog post based on the provided prompt and context. After receiving the response from Llama, we process it, format the output as markdown, save it to the file, and display the markdown content. The resulting blog post is highly structured and ready for publication. To get started, you will need Python 3.8 Plus, a provider's API key to access Llama, and pip for dependencies. First, clone the Llama cookbook repository, navigate the blog generator directory, and set up your Python using your virtual environment to manage dependencies effectively. Let's briefly look at the key files in the directory. You will notice the blog metadata folder. This is designed to hold your raw technical documentation, the source material where Llama will draw from. You will update the notebook to load your specific file from here. Setup Qdrant collection is a utility script that provides the functions to initialize and manage the in-memory Qdrant, essentially setting up your local vector database. The core logic of this workflow encapsulated primarily within Walkthrough Notebook. This notebook itself orchestrates the entire process, from setting up the Qdrant client to ingesting your knowledge base, performing the RAG retrieval, and finally invoking Llama to generate the blog post. Once your environment is set up and API key configured, the key is populating your knowledge base. You will find a section in the notebook where you can replace placeholder data with your actual technical documentation and ingest that into Qdrant. Then it's as simple as defining your desired blog post. Llama will retrieve the relevant information and generate a detailed blog post that you can review, refine, and publish. You have full control on customizing the system prompt, integrate more data source, and even experiment with the different Llama models to customize the output quality and style. This iterative process makes content creation highly effective and tailored as per your need. This recipe is part of the broader Llama cookbook repository. You can explore the complete implementation, including detailed setup instruction, configuration examples, the best practices for production deployment, directly on GitHub. It's a comprehensive foundation you can customize for countless technical content generation needs, helping you apply RAG for accurate and contextually relevant response in your own projects. Thanks for watching. Head to link in the description to get started with your own technical blog generation tool using Llama and start streamlining your content creation today. We are actively developing new features and capability, so join us on GitHub to stay up to date. We can't wait to see what you build.